Now think about the students who are doing online classes tomorrow becoming doctors. How many of you will go for operation?
In the past 2 years, the COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted all aspects of life around the world, impacting societies. Education especially was hit the hardest when it appeared to continue in a superficial manner and without any substantial grounding. In this connection, the management of St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School organized an orientation program for teachers, which was animated by Sister Sr.C.Decuna from Belfonte, who was the resource person. She deeply encouraged and empowered teachers through the program.
Now think about the students who are doing online classes tomorrow becoming doctors. How many of you will go for operation? Correct? Yes or no? All classes are online. No practicals are there. Then what do you do there? You look at the situation where they are living, their conditions. What will the society become? Huh? What the society can become? So this is the situation that our whole thing is going. But school closed. But learning continued. Learning continued. Huh? We did not stop. We had really very systematically we organized all our classes. So much taking care. Anytime, every time being together at the beck and call of the parents and all. Education continued with struggles, hardships and difficulties. School closed, but education did not continue. Education is not going to stop because we are there. We are there and you are there. Education will not stop. Tomorrow we get in with immediate effect, something will come. You are there still. You are still there. Okay? Then schools have to become relevant according to the science of the time. So 2019 school, 2022 schools have to be different. You cannot come back to school. I used to do that, but that we used to do have to stop now. We will become prophets of doom if you do that one. Outdated. You need to become today. Today, science of the time. How am I going to become? You have to become that. Cannot tell us. We did that one. I did all 30 years I'm teaching here. I know all that you don't know. Please tell yourself, I don't know. Because all new now. Change your mindset, okay? We need to change. We cannot continue like before. So COVID-19 is an opportunity for us to dramatically to alter where we are. Makes us move away from memorization, repetition, and from the rigid instruction. Machines do that much better. Correct? So don't become a machine. Use the machine. But don't become a machine because you are meant to be a human person who will bring about the transformation and the change in the young people. And they say, I didn't miss my school. I didn't miss my class. I didn't miss my education because my teachers were behind me. They educated me. They accompanied me. They guided me. They took care of me. Look at that. How nice. And they will write, you know what they will write? Your name in their heart because you did not leave them. You were with them. Remember that. That has to be taken care. This year the school has to be better, okay? In every way it has to become better, and I'll give you also that. Tough times should bring the best in us as well as best in our students. We will do. Because tough things do not last. Tough people will last. Am I right? Okay? So you become that. No? I can manage it. We can still go on. Very big team. Very nice education institution. We are going to do that, man. We have the capacity to learn, to change, to adapt. Teachers learning to handle the technology. Okay, learning. Right? Change is happening. Be the change. COVID-19 is teaching us.
Speaking to Don Bosco Media Network, Father Anthony Karkongor, principal of the school, expressed the need to prepare teachers to provide the best quality education to students, be it offline or online.
To the government for placing their trust to all the heads of the institution and following the protocols. It is very important that we also take care. Students also should come with a positive mind. All this COVID and pandemic and Omicron that we are experiencing, education should not stop. It should continue. And our school have arranged an orientation program for the teachers so that through these programs that we are having, a new mindset will be given and taught to them of how to tackle with the problems and how to deal with their duties and responsibilities and how to reach out to students, those who are able to come and those who are at home. as we know that problems may come, pandemic, Omicron may come and go, but yet education can never stop. It has to go on, and learning has to move on without stopping. So I feel that this orientation will be of great help to our teachers, and hopefully that through this orientation, a new set of learning, a new creativity of learning, either from home or even the classroom, they will be helping the students and also motivate the students. Thank you.